Hello and welcome, traders. I'm excited to announce that we're resuming our video series. Whether you're embarking on your trading journey or aiming to boost your financial analysis skills with Python, our upcoming content is tailored for you. In the upcoming series, our goal is to empower you with the skills to use Python for effective trading and insightful financial analysis. Whether you're a beginner trader or an intermediate-level enthusiast, these videos will offer valuable insights. We'll start with the fundamentals and gradually progress to advanced strategies and machine learning models. It's a journey from learning to implementation. Let's break down what we'll cover. First, we'll dive into MetaTrader 5, exploring how to trade and connect it with Python. Then, we'll explore essential Python libraries for financial analysis, pandas, TA-Lib, and tulip indicators, discussing their unique features and how they compare. We'll also delve into backtesting strategies and how to resolve common issues like the bokeh error. Additionally, we'll tackle data manipulation and analysis, ensuring you know how to handle and interpret your trading data effectively. But it's not just theory. We'll have practical projects like creating a Python notebook for auto trading and monitoring cryptocurrencies, using Polygon.io for identifying investment opportunities, and building Dash and tkinter applications for real-time data visualization. Plus, we'll demonstrate how to implement machine learning in live trading scenarios. In our next few videos, we'll start with an introduction to MT5, followed by deep dives into the Python TA libraries. I encourage you to follow along with practical examples and exercises for a hands-on learning experience. To sum up, this series is not just about learning Python for trading. It's about empowering you to create your own strategies and tools for financial success. So, hit the subscribe button, join us, and don't forget to engage with the content. I value each of your comments, and as we launch our strategy series, our videos will be shaped by your specific wants and needs. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video, where we start our journey with MetaTrader 5. Happy trading and coding.